Hi guys, welcome again today. So this should be the part 7 of this class. So the main reason of this class is to lecture you guys on how to make use of Revit software from zero to advanced level. So this is what we are able to achieve so far. This is what we are able to achieve so far. So if you miss our previous video, you should do well to go and watch part 1 to part 6 so that you'll be able to understand how we achieve this particular building to this level. So at this stage, I'll be showing you guys on how to export this particular design to AutoCAD and also on how to annotate it and also on how to annotate it and put your dimension here. So first of all, let's go on annotation. So for us to annotate, let's go on the DPC floor, which what we are going to be exporting as our plan under architecture. Remember, DPC floor under architecture, DPC slab. So here we'll be putting the annotations, the annotations right here. So okay, let's proceed. Go to annotate, go to text, click on the text. Here you can just click and write bedroom. Bedroom. You can set it in a way that edit. I want it to be a little bit smaller. I want it to be smaller. On this edit, I can do this to be 1.5. Our leader offsets. I can do, I think this one should be tab size, test size. Okay, I can do this to be maybe 1.8, just to reduce it a bit. Click on OK. Okay, this size is actually okay. So all I have to do is copy this size. I can copy this text and move it to where I want it to be. So I can actually copy it and paste in other places. Like here, I can paste it here. I can paste it here. I can paste it here. Same thing here and here. So all I have to do is to be editing it one after the other. Like here, I can double click on it, highlight it and change it to main plan. Press OK. Okay. Okay. At this level, you are able to get your floor plan already. So you go to, okay, let me open it. Let me open it so that you guys, when you come to our desktop, see our floor plan right here. All you have to do is to double click on it. Double click on it. Let's wait for it to open. Let's wait for it to open. Exercise more patience. Just exercise more patience, a little patience more. So as it's opening, we can be exporting orders. We can be exporting orders like our elevation. Let's go to our elevation. Let's go to our elevations. So we have our east, north, south, and west. So we'll be exporting this one after the other. One after. Okay, our desktop, our AutoCAD is up already. Our AutoCAD is up already. So you see what we have here. We have our building plan right here. So we have our building plan right here. You see. So, but we will be doing exporting the orders, the remaining orders. So let's start from the east. Double click on the east. You see, we have this. Okay, we have this. Go back to your file, click export, cad dwg. Remember, so next, the next thing you can name it east elevation. Okay, east elevation. I can delete this also. Press OK. Go to the north. Automatically, it has already exported. Go to the north. We can do the same export. Cad dwg. Click on next. So I'll be deleting this and I'll be deleting this desktop. click on OK, go to south, go to south. We are exporting this, export, card, DWG, next, sorry, sorry, next here. So all I have to do is to delete this. Okay, I'm going on west now. Double click on the west. So this is our elevation for the west. Go to export, card WWG. So next we'll be clicking, okay, we'll be renaming it to west. Click on OK. So when we go back to our DPC, this line right here, this hidden line you're seeing here is this cross section cut. So you can decide to cut another section if you want. So see, we have under section, we have section 1. So you have to when you click on it, see this is the cross the section it cuts by itself. So you can actually cross another section on your own. You can easily go to highlight it, right click and click on create similar. You can cut your section anywhere you want it. You see, you can cut your section anywhere you want it. You can see under section we have section on top of it, working section. You can open this one. You see section 2. When you open our sections 2, you see we have this as your section. You can export this. I love this one more. I can decide to export this as my section, export it to card, next. So I'm choosing it as section. Okay. So what else are we exporting right here? What else? What else? Okay, I'll be exporting the roof. You can actually design the roof by yourself, but it's very simple. But for you not to stress yourself, go under the floor plan plus a site plan. Click on the site, click on the site, or click on the site. You see, you have this, you have this. So all you have to do is to export this. All you have to do is to export it. Okay, you are saving it. Okay, asking you to save. So when you export next, you can rename it as roof. So under the desktop, you click OK. So now we have export different designs. Okay, we have our plan right here. Let's open all of them. Let's open all of them. Uh, Open file, desktop. On desktop, let's go on desktop. So we see our east elevation. You can decide to minimize and be opening them from here. We have opened our east elevation, our floor plan. So north elevation. Then we can open our south elevation. Also open our west elevation. Open our section. So I'll open our roof. So okay, we have succeeded in opening all of them. So when we open it, all we have to do is to All you have to do is to be copying it and be deleting the unnecessary ones. Like this car on the roof or under our roof, we don't need this car plan here. We don't need this, so we have to delete them. So it's of no use for us. It's of no use for us here. You have to delete them. So you copy this, come to under the roof plan to put every design together. Control V, drop it here as your roof. So on this floor plan, you can delete this. You don't need them here. So you don't need all these ones. Even here, you don't need the car. You don't need the car. You can delete them. So come to the east elevation. Okay, let's start from the south elevation. You can easily delete all this line. They are of no use right here. You can copy this, come back to your floor plan, paste it here. You can paste it here. So go to your north elevation. Remember to delete all this. They are of no use. Copy this one under your floor plan. You can drop it here. Then east elevation, we are deleting all this one. They are of no use. We are copying this, coming to our floor plan elevation, we drop it here. So our north, okay, we have done north. West elevation, our west elevation, we can delete this and copy the remaining parts under our floor plan. We are pasting it here. Okay, what's the next thing? We don't have our section, we have our roof. So let's put our section here too. So we are deleting this, remember? So we are copying the remaining parts as our section. We are dropping it here. Understand? As you can see, we have all we need in our architectural design. So we have the floor plan right here. We have the roof. We have the front elevation. We have the back elevation, the east elevation, and the west elevation. We also have the section side of it. So now all we have to do is to save this AutoCAD and delete the remaining ones. So everything is now under floor plan. Everything is now under floor plan. I'm deleting the other ones because they are of no use for me. I can only keep the floor plan because I've moved every other thing to the floor plan section. So I'll be saving this. I'll be saving this. It's saved already. Saved. So let me minimize. Going back to the Revit. Going back to Revit. You see, so we are able to export all the drawing necessary to AutoCAD. So in AutoCAD, that's where we can do the remaining finishing of detailing it, which is the dimensioning and the putting the grid line and other things. You get? Yes. So here, this will be okay. We'll be doing fencing on the next video. So there we'll be doing our we'll be doing fencing on our next video, and we're doing some final touches on the next video. That's where we'll be creating some site driveways, maybe curbs, or maybe put some more decoration and other things. You can put lighting also. So that will be the last part of this class. Please do well to watch the videos so that you'll be able to learn how to make use of Revit from zero to this level. So also subscribe to this channel. We'll be creating contents like this every time. Every time I'll be making class on how to use both Revit, AutoCAD, AutoCAD, and product structure. So as an engineer, do well to subscribe to this channel. As an architect, do well to subscribe to this channel. A student, if you want to learn more on how to design, do well to subscribe to this channel, and do well to share to your friends so that they will learn more. They will learn. So because this knowledge, it can never be enough if you keep it to yourself. Get? So do well to subscribe and do well to like the video also. Thank you.